DIY winter equipment storage solutions for your garage. As winter's chill sets in, your garage becomes the front line in the battle against clutter. Say goodbye to tripping over snow shovels and hello to a neatly organized space with these DIY winter equipment storage solutions. Transform your walls into a storage haven with wall-mounted tool racks. Hooks and holders will not only save precious floor space, but keep your tools well organized and within arm's reach. Next, let's talk versatility with a pegboard storage system. A prominent wall adorned with a pegboard becomes the perfect display for your snowblowers and winter sports gear. And don't forget overhead storage shelves for those bulky seasonal items like sleds and winter tires, safely stowed above and out of the way. For the smaller items, rolling storage bins are your mobile solution. Wheel out salt bags and gardening tools with ease, and when you're done, tuck them away with a label for next time. And for those hazardous materials, a cabinet system with secure doors is a must, keeping chemicals safely stored and your peace of mind intact. For the winter sports enthusiasts, a DIY ski rack is a game changer. Simple PVC pipes or wooden dowels can be your tools to create an organized display for skis and snowboards. Embrace the DIY spirit and prepare your space for the cold, ensuring every tool has its place when the frosty days demand them.